Building a robust digital thread to connect design engineering, manufacturing engineering, quality engineering, and production, while effectively managing changes in configured product structures. EasyPlan, a role-based process planning solution, delivers key capabilities with industry best practices to support and execute manufacturing planning. EasyPlan guides you through the manufacturing BOM creation and update process and increases collaboration between the stakeholders. EasyPlan assists the user to reconcile the ebom and mbom by providing visualization of both structures and changes indication. EasyPlan ensures all engineering BOM changes are reflected in the updated manufacturing BOM. A manufacturing engineer can use EasyPlan to define and validate manufacturing process plans based on a manufacturing BOM. The bill of process and work instructions are defined and managed, providing seamless data flow from product design to the shop floor. The manufacturing engineer updates operations with latest product data and enriches the bill of process with tools from the tools library managed in Teamcenter. The digital thread includes PMI data, and EasyPlan enables you to assign PMIs to assembly and quality inspection operations. These PMIs, which were defined by the product designer, includes manufacturing-related data and therefore will be part of the visual aids. EasyPlan provides a textual work instructions editor that enables you to connect detailed instructions information with the visual aid assets. This guides the user by providing the relevant product and tooling for each operation. A rich 3D visualization environment enables you to interrogate product and PMI data and capture live 3D views, which will be part of the electronic work instructions. Shop floor operators use the electronic work instructions, which include the latest assembly information and visual aids created by all stakeholders.